In the last video, you worked to create a quiz application, and now it's your turn to create a form validation application, which is something that's super applicable because pretty much any project you work on is going to require some level of form validation at some point. So here's the before code that you're going to be starting with, and this is what your final page is going to look like with the before code. So we have a username, password confirmation, and agree to terms. Pretty standard sign up form. We click create account, it's automatically going to work. It's just going to say, hey, thanks for creating a new account, and you can go back to the sign up page. So this has zero validation, which is what you're going to be adding in this project. And when you're done, you're going to get validation that looks like this. If we try to submit the form with nothing supplied, we're going to get a bunch of errors. For example, username must be 6 characters, password must be at least 10, and you must accept the terms. If we accept the terms, click create, you can see that error disappeared. We give a nice long username, click create, you can now see that disappeared. We give a nice long password, you can now see we create account, we get passwords must match. And if we get passwords that match, for example, we have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Click create. Then it goes through and says, thank you for creating a new account. And we can go back to the sign up page. So it's your job to create this validation. And again, I have step-by-step guide for you. But this one is a little bit less hand-holdy than the last one. So you have to do a little bit more work on your own. First thing we need to do is add that script tag. Then inside of here, I have lots of information on what you should do, but it's not quite as step-by-step cut and clear as the last one. It requires a little bit more problem solving on your own end, so this may be a little bit more difficult, but it's great for getting your mindset into how to solve problems with the tools that you've been given. Now in the next video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would solve this myself, so I can't wait to see you there.